Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to modern sports poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Open Layer Panel, and create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. Follow me. Remove the image PNG background. Make a selection of it, then add a layer mask to it. Right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Select Pen tool, and make a selection of it as I am doing. Press Ctrl plus Enter to make selection. Then do the inverse, and add layer mask to it. Then convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu, and then Camera Raw Filter. Follow my settings. Go to the Type tool and type your text. And change its font to Pepsi. Rotate it, and adjust its placement. Select Image Layer, and press Ctrl plus J for Duplicate Copy. And drag it at the top, and hide the layer. Select Bottom Layer, go to the Rectangular Marquee tool. And make a selection of it. Then add layer mask to it. Hide the top layer. Right-click on it, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Create a hue, saturation adjustment layer. And you can add any color. Select top layer, and place the other image. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Then add the layer mask. Create a blank layer. Go to the brush tool. Use these settings. And apply like this. And decrease its opacity. Follow me. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.